Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the voiced TH sound. This sound can be represented by the letters TH or this symbol. Can you make the voiced TH sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth slightly. Next, place your tongue between your teeth, like this. Then, blow some air out past your tongue while making a sound in your throat. Let's try putting those steps together. Are you ready? Try making a sound in your throat. You should feel your vocal cords vibrating. Well done. Now let's practice a few words with the voiced TH sound. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? There. Weather. Breathe. The voiced TH sound is usually spelled with the letters T and H. At the end of a word, it can be spelled as TH or THE. Notice the spelling in the words weather, breathe, and smooth. Well done. Great job. Ellii.